So yeah, I'm Ryan Clarkson. Obviously, I'm on the Samuel Leeds BRR crash course. Very interesting. There's a lot of things I didn't know prior to coming here. I knew a little bit, from the last course we did, but it's just a massive insight, especially with the finances side of it, the bridging side of it as well, which is quite big. The deal sourcing side of it as well. If you can't finance the deal yourself, you can sell the deal. I found it very, very useful information so far. So yeah, it's fantastic.
Have you seen people land deals while you've been here?
Yeah, so at the beginning of the week, there was 28 people got loan option agreements, which was quite an eye opener, really, because when you're getting taught to do it, but then you actually see it happen, it's like, wow, this can actually happen. So, and then I've just landed a couple of myself now. So I've just got a couple of BRR deals potential, which I'm viewing next week. So. No, absolutely not. One, I wouldn't have the confidence to be on the phones. Two, you wouldn't have the knowledge to know what you were talking about. So I believe knowledge is massively critical. So,
I agree with everything he's saying. Don't buy houses where he's from, though. You will not get finance.
Yeah. No, yeah, it's critical to have the knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge, then you try to talk to a vendor or an estate agent, and you just don't know what to say to them. So going through the week and just having that confidence and that knowledge, just to be on the phones and just to know what you're talking about and to get what you're wanting, to have a plan in place as well. I think that's critical. Because without having a plan in place, then you're kind of lost in translation. The Samuel Leeds Academy is just fantastic energy. Like the energy you get, the buzz around the room, the knowledge that everybody's got, especially like people are brand new as well coming in. I'm learning from them as well as learning from like Samuel, the team, the mentors. Just the deal connect. The app that you get, the app is worth the £12,000. Like I can't even tell you how much that's even worth it in goal itself. I think it's fantastic. It's just like anyone who's wanting to get into property needs to have the proper training, and there's nothing like it I've seen.